Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Today's reading is about your love life. Um, what is happening in your love life, and there are two piles over here, and which are you attracted most? Choose that pile. I'm going towards the pile number one. For those who choose the pile number one with this beaded necklace, your first card is chariot card. You're moving in your love life, maybe towards that person. I think you are moving towards someone else, not that person you love. You are moving towards someone else. You are moving in the opposite direction. You want to do something else, and you are not going towards that person, and you have no desire towards that person. You want to do something new, something different. Okay, there is no sun card in this situation. Your situation is going towards something else. You are not going to have that person. You are not going to marry that person. Four of Pentacles, because someone had not going to leave you, or they are very stubborn, or you are very stubborn. Somebody is stubborn over here and very determined, and they don't let you go towards them, or you don't want to go towards them. No, this somebody is not stubborn. You are not determined towards that person. I think you just like them. You are attracted towards them. You don't love them. Yes, that's why you are not moving towards that. You are not so strictly holding that coin or something. Okay, what is this? Nine of Cups. Yes, your wishes are not going to be fulfilled. There is no desire, no happiness over here. And with this Knight of Swords, you are going towards something else. You are going towards moving towards your aim. You like your aim. You want to win something. You want to win your faith. You are going towards your faith. And with Page of Wands, you are listening towards the signs to go towards them. How can I make it? How it will be possible? Something like that. First, you are not as determined, or you don't want that person that much. I think that maybe there is two persons. There are two persons for you, and one you are not in love with that person, and the other you want them, or maybe at first you are not ready to go towards them. You are afraid of something, and you have not a lot of courage at that time, and now you have the courage. You gather your courage, and you want to move forward towards them. This is the very slow moving card, but you are going towards that person. You are taking a step by step. First, I have to soften my parents, and then step by step, gradually I can move towards that person. I have to move to. Okay, Queen of Cups. There's someone, some lady, maybe they are not in love with you, or they are not caring for you. Maybe they are leaving restrictions over here. They are removing that restrictions over here. I think your mother is not happy in this situation to marry that person, and now with your stubbornness, or with your eagerness, they are removing that restriction from you, but they are at the same time, they are not in love with you. They are angry with you, and you have to make the decision very fast. Whereas in this card, in this Two of Wands, you are not thinking about that person once again, because your mother is not happy, or some person in your life is not happy about this situation, or maybe that person that the person you love, they are not in love with you. Something is happening over here, and you are not able to make the choice or the, what can I say, decision over here. Your mood is going to change. Once you think that I leave that person, then you think that I had tied to that person. You are not making the any decision over here when you have to make it soon. Okay, calling in your soulmate. Your prayers, affirmations and visualizations help bring you together. Yes, you have to pray for them, you have to call for them, to have them in your life, to marry them. You have to do a lot to want to have them in your life. Give your relationship a chance, and you are not giving that relationship the chance. Work on your partnership, and you are not working on it, because I think this is, maybe it is your mother, or maybe it is that person that you marry to, or they are in your life, you love them. They are not in love with you, or they are angry with you, and they are not giving you the chance, and strangely lonely, holding on way too tight. Yes, they are very stubborn over here, they are very eager to leave you. Yes, they are not moving with you, and bad energy once again. And I think that person is not happy with you, and they want to leave you. They want to end this situation over here, or maybe they are doing some magic over to end this situation, and something is going on here. Because you, at first you are not giving them any happiness, any relationship, partnerships, right, or something, and now they are going to take revenge with you. This is a Scorpio energy, and when the Scorpio gets angry, they want to take the revenge with you. Yeah, they want to tell you that who I am, who you are going to abuse or blaming on. I am the Scorpio. Don't mess with me. Okay, and that bad energy is because of them. Okay, I want to pull some more cards for you. My question for you is that is they going to marry you, or make with you, or they are going to leave you. They are not happy with you. They are maybe thinking of someone, or thinking of about your behavior with them in the past, and they are not coming towards you. They are not thinking of you. They are they are having their back towards you, and with this they don't want to start any new beginning with you. They are not attracted to you. They don't want you. They don't want to have any relationship with you. And with this magician, that's, yes, definitely, if you are doing any work for them, some hard work, or putting some effort to have them back in your life, then they are not coming towards you. This is going to be fall, or there's no hope for that. And I think you are not crying over that situation. You are not crying over that situation because you know that you have done something bad to them, and you deserve that. Okay, and you are fighting with your own self or with them to come back to you. You are very stubborn, very eager, very determined to have them back in your life. You are searching for uh, some way, some that how you can get towards that person, how you have that person back. And there is something hidden over here, some way, some situation, and you can see that situation in the light of the moon. And with that situation, you are going to cut that person in your life. You are going to divorce them. You are going to leave that person. You are making yourself isolated from them. They are deceiving you. They are stealing something from you. Maybe they have someone else in their life, and that's why they are not coming back to you. And maybe this happens after you have done that, or maybe they have someone else before you in their life, and they want to go back to them, and they are very determined over here. They want that person. They are not going to listen anyone else, and they are protecting that relationship, that things, that thoughts, and they are making the boundaries around themselves. They are defending their thoughts. They don't want to move with you. Yes, they are very mature now. They had made their decision, and they are not going to break it. They want to backstab you. They want to leave you, and they want to destroy that home, that relationship with you, and then they want to take some rest, and after that they want to go towards someone else. They want to give their heart, their love towards someone else. This situation also can like that this vice versa, and they want to move towards someone else. Yes, they had made that situation. They are mature. They are very they are very determined in their decision. I want to pull some more cards. Yes, my question is that what have you done to them that they are moving from you, they are leaving you? My heart is blossoming with your name. That's you are telling them that your heart is blossoming with their name. I pray for you. You are telling them that you are praying for them to come back. Oh baby, don't break my heart. You are telling them that baby, please don't break my heart. And what else? I think this will happen in a month, and you sure that this will happen in a month. You have that person back in your life, and but my mother is not agree. That person are telling you that my mother is not agree. They know what have you done to them, and they don't want them to go back to you. Come soon. You are telling them to come soon. I am using you. You are also telling them that I am using you. Okay, or maybe this is from that person, because they are using you. They have someone else in their life, and they are using you for that time. They want to spend that time with somebody, and they choose you to spend that time. I have someone else. Yes, they are telling you they definitely have someone else in their life. I want to kill you. They want to kill you to clear their way towards that other person. If you are not going to leave them, they are going to kill you. Okay, I am happy in my life. They are happy in their life. They don't want you anymore. There is a third party situation in this relationship. They are telling you this is maybe their universe is telling you that there is a third party situation. So they are not going to come back towards your life or towards you. And don't think about them. Don't wait for them. Go somewhere else. Go towards someone else. Have someone else in your life, because they have someone in their own life. This is the reading for you, my pile number 1. I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe. And if you want to know more about this situation or some other situation, you go and watch my previous videos, and you can also watch my upcoming video. For that you have to subscribe and press the bell icon, so you can get all of my upcoming videos, and with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. I'm going towards the pile number 2. Those who choose the pile number 2 or this blue color or green color bracelet, your first card is upside down. That is 2 of Pentacles. You are not anymore juggling. You are going to make some decision over here, and you had made it. In your love life, you are going to make some decision, and I think you had made it already, and you are happy in this situation. You are singing, you are playing music, you are thinking of that person, that you are planning that how can you move towards that, or you had done all the thing over here, and now you are happy with this, the thinking of the thought of that situation. You have a lot of love for them in your heart. You love them very much, and you are going to propose them, you are going to give them your heart, you are going to propose them, you are going to tell them that you are in love with them. And you are making it fast, you are moving 9 of Wands, you are protecting that love from others. You know that there will be more persons for them that want to marry them, and you are protecting them, your love, and them also. And you think you are stuck over here, but you can find the way towards them. Now you are stuck over here, you think that you are stuck, but that's not true. You are not actually stuck over here. You think that this is impossible, but this is not. Nothing is impossible in this life and this world. And Knight of Wands, you are going towards that person with very passion, with attraction, and moving fast towards that person. You're telling them, I am coming. Look at that knight. He have the wand in his hand, and he is telling, shouting. I think that he is telling that I am coming. Wait for me. I am here. Okay, I am flying. I am here. Okay, you have a lot of tension about this situation. You are thinking of a lot about them. How can I do it? How can I make it? Whereas you had done all the things, but you still have some pressure on your mind. You both are lovers. You both love each other. You both are made for each other, and the universe are doing something over here to make this possible. Your heart is going to break. Maybe there is some third party situation, somebody entering your life, and you are little bit late towards them, or something is going on with here. And once again, you are or that person is going to juggle who is good for them, what they have to do, what is good for them. And I think your situation is going to end over here, or something is going to end over here, and something new is going to begin. Definitely I think that they are going to leave you, or maybe it could be possible that they are going to leave their parents for you. And with this Sun card, okay, you are going to have some kind of success over here. Maybe yes, definitely they are over here. Their heart is broken because I think that someone restricting them, someone had maybe their parents have someone else for them, and they are rejecting that person. That's why they are taking that decision over here. They are thinking about, may I have you, or may I have that other person who is good for them, but how in which situation they can happy. And they are going to leave that other person, and they are coming towards you. They are ending the relationship with their parents, and they are beginning something new with you. And definitely they are leaving someone here, and that person is barking on them. They are angry on them. They are telling them, you are wrong, once you are come with me, and something like that. They are angry with them, they are fighting with them, and they are coming towards you. They are, because they are moving towards that direction, towards the direction of the sun, towards the direction of the happiness, the abundance, the fulfillment. And they are coming towards you, towards their desire, towards their love. If they love you, they are coming towards you, definitely, because there is a Lovers card, and you both are in love with each other, and definitely they are coming towards you. And what else? Romantic feelings. They have the romantic feelings for you. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. Yes, you're both reading. What is this? Feelings are true, and you love each other. You truly love each other. That's why they if that person is lady or man, they are coming towards you. they are leaving their past behind, their relationship with their parents or someone else. They are leaving with their, I think, their parents or someone. Okay, not the third party situation, but they are yes, they have the third party situation, which is from their parents. They or someone from their parents, their elder their older brother or sisters from them, or from their grandfather, grandmother, and they are leaving that relationship. They are leaving also leaving their grandfather and someone, their family, and they are coming towards you, and forgiving and learning. They are not going to forgive that person, that is going to make the boundaries between you two. Soulmate, you both are soulmate. Yes, this is your soulmate, and that's why they are sacrificing their self for you. Okay, love yourself first. Your self-respect makes you more romantically attractive. You have to think for you, because if you are going to leave them at that situation, when they are coming for you, when they are leaving that their whole family, their whole life, their whole past life in back, then if you at this time you going to leave them, you are going to think someone for their parents, then you will never get them in your life. You will be sad forever, you will cry forever. So think for yourself first. Make the effort to make them to come towards you. Yes, make that effort towards them, and think you are the guy, and that is that person you want. And there is also the girls over here, they are coming towards you. And autumn is my last chance, please don't lose hope. Okay, and I think you are not hoping for this. You don't think that they are coming towards you, or you going to have that person in your life. Okay, and now they are coming towards you, because there is that card of out trick or treat. We are here. These are the help from God, from Allah, from angels for you. And the bear. The bear is okay. They are the person that if they make some promise to you, they are going to fulfill it. Okay, I think they had made the promise to come towards you, and they are coming towards you. They are going to fulfill their promise. When they are in love with someone, they are going to take it to the higher level. They are thinking about you, they are in love with you, they are going to make their promise with you, and they are thinking of you. They are going to sacrifice for you. They are the person, the lovable person. They care about someone, their loved one. They love their loved one, they protect their loved one. And yes, they are some little bit lazy. They want their time, and they had their time. Now they are coming towards you. Okay, I want to pull some more cards for you. The conversation between you both. Now guys, you both have a lot to tell each other, a lot of conversation. Look at that, how many cards I have got. Now the first card, take me to the sky. They are telling you, take me to the sky. I want to go with you to the other dimensions. I want to make my home with you. Okay, will you sacrifice for me? Yes. Maybe you are telling them, will you sacrifice for
हमारा वीडियो भी बनानी थी ना.
Okay, I have to go now. They are telling you, I have to go now, or they are telling this to their parents, I have to go now. Whatever the situation, my children are stopping me. I think that they have their children over here. Yes, they are already married with someone else, and you still have your heart for them. You are still coming towards them, and they are leaving that person over here, and they are coming towards you. And You are telling them that they are telling you that their children are stopping them to come towards you. They have the children from the their first marriage. I can sacrifice everything for you. Yes, they are telling you that I can sacrifice everything for you, because you are asking them to, if you are going to sacrifice for me, they are telling you that I am going to sacrifice for you. Okay, build me a home. They are telling you build me a home, because they are going to sacrifice for you, so that they want some home with you. This will never end. You are telling them this will never end. Our love is forever, and rather you had gone with someone else, but I love you still. And with this separation, there is some kind of separation between you and them. I think this is in the past, and now you are going to meet each other. I am listening your cries. You are telling them I am listening your cries. We will meet someday. Yes, you are telling them we will meet someday. Don't cry. We will surely meet someday. Okay, make some distance from me. They are telling you make some distance from me for now. It's necessary for them. I think this will happen in a year. Yes, this is from them. They think that this will happen in a year. I think the situation is that you want them and they want you, but you have to go through the process, the whole process of especially that person that you are asking for or you love. They have to go through the whole process. They have to marry someone else, then they have to leave that person and come towards you at the end. That's why they are taking the time from you. Okay, we together will make the home. Yes, you are telling them we together will make the home. Okay, I am sorry. They are telling you I am sorry. They have to do something else. They have their responsibilities, their job. You destroy my life. You are telling them you destroy my life by doing this, by going to someone else, to marry someone else. I am lost. Please show me the way. They are asking for the way, asking you to show them the way. I cannot forget you. You are telling them that I cannot forget you. That's why you are coming towards them after they had married towards someone else. Goodbye. They are telling you goodbye. You are stalking me. Now they are telling you that you are stalking me because they had married someone else and you are still following them hidden desires, but they have for you hidden desires. I love you. They are telling you I love you. Okay, let me go. They are telling you that let me go. I have to go for now. You are my life. You are telling them you are my life. Don't listen to them. You are telling them don't listen to anybody else. Don't listen to your parents or someone. So come back to me. I will never forget you. They are telling you I will never forget you. Rather I am going towards someone else. I am marrying someone else, but I will never forget you. I hate that distance between both of us. They are telling you that they hate that distance. You are God's gift for me. They are telling you are the God's gift for me. That you have the love for them. Still they had married someone else. Learn some manners. Okay, you both have to learn some manners. You both have to do something over here. You both have to need this. Okay, sweet memories from you both. You both have the sweet memories. It's up to me now. It's up to them when they are prepared for coming towards you. Yes, this that all is up to them. I have someone else. They are telling you I have someone else in their life. My sister is not agree. Their sister is not also agree. They are telling them that this is not good to leave your husband or wife and go towards someone else. Thrones in the past. Yes, definitely. You both have the thrones in the past. Please take care of yourself. They are telling you please take care of yourself because they are still thinking of you. They still love you. Universe will bring you back to me. You are telling them. Universe will bring back to me. You surely telling them. Leave me alone. They are telling you leave me alone. Let this finish over here. They are telling you let this finish over here, but this will not going to finish over here at this time. They are going towards someone else. They are going to marry someone else, and after that after some time they will surely come towards you because this is from universe. Universe will doing it. They are giving you that person, that they are tying that person with you. Rather they are going anywhere in the life, they will come back to you. Yes, this is the situation. Okay, this is the reading for you for today. I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe. If you want to know more about your situation, this situation or some other situation, then go and watch my previous videos. And if you want to see my upcoming videos, you have to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you get surely get my new videos, and you can surely get some help from my videos, other videos in your this situation or some other situation. And with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. We will see each other at next time.